Do you know what happens to your body when you do triceps dips, including bench dips and parallel bar dips every day? And did you know that doing triceps dips daily can transform your upper body strength and definition in just a few weeks? Studies show that bodyweight exercises like triceps dips activate multiple muscle groups, promoting strength, endurance, and balance. In this video, you'll discover 10 amazing benefits of adding dips to your daily routine, and how they can bring impressive results to your body. And stay with me until the end, because we have a special bonus, a step-by-step tutorial on how to perform parallel bar dips with the correct technique to avoid injuries. We'll also show variations to keep your routine interesting and tips to progressively increase your strength. Let's go! First, let's understand the muscles involved in performing dips. Many people have difficulty developing strength in their upper body muscles, and often overlook effective exercises like dips, which work multiple muscle groups at the same time. This compound exercise mainly works the pectoralis major, triceps, and deltoids. Secondary muscle groups such as the trapezius, core, and even the back stabilizer muscles are also activated. To put more emphasis on the chest and make parallel bar dips one of the most efficient exercises for this muscle, lean your torso forward at an angle of approximately 45 degrees and keep your elbows out. This posture directs the effort mainly to the chest. On the other hand, the triceps are more activated when the torso is kept straight and the elbows remain close to the body. The movement requires coordination and body control, making it a complete exercise for strengthening the upper torso muscles. The flexion and extension during the movement involve both fast-twitch and slow-twitch muscle fibers, promoting explosive strength and endurance. Now that we know which muscles are worked, let's get to the 10 incredible benefits of doing dips every day. The first benefit is strengthening the arm and chest muscles. This exercise requires considerable effort from the triceps and pecs, which results in more defined and stronger muscles. Studies from the National Strength and Conditioning Association show that exercises like triceps dips increase functional strength in everyday activities, like lifting objects or pushing something heavy. The second benefit is posture improvement. Triceps dips help align the spine, strengthening stabilizer muscles like the rhomboids and posterior deltoids. This corrects slumped shoulders and prevents chronic back pain. A study published by the National Institute for Occupational Safety and Health reinforces that strengthening these muscles is essential to prevent postural misalignments. The third benefit is increased mobility and flexibility. During the movement, muscles and connective tissues are stretched under tension, improving the range of motion of the joints. This benefits both the execution of other exercises and daily activities, such as reaching for objects and performing tasks that are up high. The fourth benefit is improved joint health. By strengthening the stabilizing muscles of the shoulders and elbows, triceps dips reduce the risk of injuries to these joints. The American Journal of Sports Medicine highlights that exercises that develop joint stability are essential to prevent problems in intense training or sports. The fifth benefit is improved motor control and coordination. Doing triceps dips requires different muscles to work synchronously, increasing the efficiency of the neuromuscular system. This benefit translates into greater control over movements, both in training and in everyday tasks. Friends, if you're enjoying and seeing value in this video, and if you want to receive more content about health, fitness, sports, and quality of life, take a second now to subscribe to our channel. The sixth benefit is increased bone density. Bodyweight exercises like triceps dips stimulate the production of bone cells, helping to prevent osteoporosis. According to the International Osteoporosis Foundation, regular weight-bearing practices are crucial for bone health. The seventh benefit is calorie burning and metabolism boost. Despite being a strength exercise, triceps dips require high energy due to the activation of several muscle groups. A set of 10 to 15 repetitions of parallel bar dips can burn 40 to 60 calories depending on the intensity and body weight. The eighth benefit is improved muscle endurance. With daily practice, muscles adapt to the effort, allowing you to perform more repetitions with less fatigue. This is essential for progression in strength training. The ninth benefit is the positive impact on mental health. Exercises like triceps dips release endorphins, a neurotransmitter popularly known as the happiness hormone, which helps reduce stress and improve mood. A study published in Psychology of Sport and Exercise confirms that regular exercise promotes emotional well-being. The 10th benefit is the development of self-confidence and discipline. Being able to perform an increasing number of repetitions is a challenge that strengthens both body and mind. Each bit of progress reinforces the feeling of accomplishment, positively impacting other areas of life. Now, as promised, here's the bonus: the tutorial for performing parallel bar dips correctly. To begin, stand between the parallel bars, grip them firmly, and keep your arms extended. Your chest should be open, with your shoulder blades retracted and your core engaged. Lean your torso slightly forward as you bend your elbows, lowering your body down. Make sure your elbows stay close to your torso and your shoulder blades are stable. Lower yourself until your shoulders are slightly below your elbows. Push your body up by extending your arms, but without fully locking your elbows at the top of the movement. Breathe in as you go down and breathe out as you come up. If you're a beginner, use a gravitron machine or resistance bands for assistance. Keep your feet together and your core tight for greater stability. For beginners, we suggest starting with 2 to 3 sets of 5 to 8 repetitions, 3 times a week. As you gain strength, gradually increase until you reach 3 sets of 10 repetitions daily. For advanced practitioners, the ideal is to perform 3 sets of 12 to 15 repetitions per workout, with the possibility of increasing the intensity using additional weights. To wrap up, practicing dips every day, both on parallel bars and benches, can considerably improve your strength and physique, making it a valuable addition to your workout routine. Now tell us in the comments, do you already do triceps dips? And how many can you do? Share your experience, it will be interesting to know, and it can help other people on their fitness journeys. Subscribe to our channel if you like this content and to receive our new videos about health, fitness, sports, and quality of life. And show your support by liking the video and sharing it with your friends. We also recommend that you watch our other videos. The links are on the screen. See you in the next video, stay healthy, and thank you.